Hello.
Hello?
I'm a macro vegetable.
A macro vegetable? What's the difference between a macro vegetable and a macro fruit?
Well,
You're
I
a
think-
fruit. You've got seeds.
I think,
You're not a vegetable.
I think,
You're a zucchini, a giant zucchini.
leave me alone.
You're not a fruit. I'm sorry for bullying you. I apologize.
I'm a macro vegetable.
Are you going on any trips soon?
No, because I'm boring. That's why they call macrobiotic food.
Wait, I
Because
thought
it's
you...
dull.
Well, I'm a microbiologist. That's what I do for a living. Do you think that I could have you come lecture to my class about macrobiology sometime?
That might be fun.
Yeah, we could do it in the British style, where you are called a lecturer as opposed to a professor.
Yeah.
You could be a professor, a lecturer of